I know she like it for me. I'm on fire like Aladdin. On a pussy golden blessing. Why she did it? Cause she lied. What we do here is so discreet. If you ask me, I know nothing. It's something on my dick. I know she like it cause she She's a whore, I love it.